Hi guys, welcome back to our space. Today we are going to review Pilgrim's 5 Ceramide Barrier Repair Moisturizer with Korean Sika. This is going to be a completely unsponsored and detailed video about this product. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Let's first talk about the pricing. You get 100 grams of product for 394 rupees, which makes it around 4 rupees per gram. If you want to compare the pricing with other moisturizers, per gram pricing will really help. Now 394 rupees is little expensive for 100 grams of product, but if you get this moisturizer in sales, you will get it for 300 rupees, so that will save you a lot of money. Let's get into the ingredients. I can see aqua followed by some silicones, then there are niacinamide, glycerine, almond oil, then there are ceramide 1, ceramide 2, ceramide 3, ceramide 4, ceramide 6. Then there is a Centellia asiatica extract, which is Sika. Now all of these ingredients are good for your skin. There are some ingredients that have lightening properties. So there are no major comedogenic ingredients, but there is almond oil in it. This is not a completely oil-free formula. Now it has ceramides, it has Sika, and it also has cholesterol. The combination of all these three ingredients will help repair the barrier of your skin. Let's talk about the brand claims one by one. So first, it strengthens the skin barrier. Does this moisturizer strengthens the skin barrier? Then the answer is yes. When I started using this moisturizer, my skin literally loved this product, because before that my skin's barrier was extremely damaged. My skin was not able to take in the moisturizer that I was putting on. No matter how much moisturizer I was using, I knew my skin needed something that will repair the barrier. That's why I ordered this one. And when I started using this one, my skin started to heal. I could literally feel the difference in my skin. Second brand claim is intense moisturizing. The answer is yes. This moisturizer is intensely moisturizing for dry skin girlies. However, if you have oily skin, you will feel that this moisturizer is a little heavy on your skin. It is lightweight and non-sticky. Same, this moisturizer is for non-sticky. Yes, this moisturizer is completely non-sticky. It takes like 30 seconds to get absorbed into the skin. But lightweight, again, if you have dry skin, you will feel this moisturizer is very lightweight. But if you have oily skin, you will feel this is little heavy on your skin. About the consistency of this moisturizer, it says it's lightweight and non-sticky. Let me just show you. I would say this moisturizer blends very easily. And do I feel the moisturizer is sticky? Then no, it is definitely non-sticky. If the formula is lightweight, then I would say there are moisturizers that are more lightweight than this one. This moisturizer will feel heavy on your skin if you are someone with oily skin, and if you have dry skin, then for you the formula is lightweight. I feel the moisturizer will not feel heavy on your skin at all. Now let's talk about the other factors about this moisturizer. Can you use this moisturizer in your AM and PM routine? Then yes, the answer is yes. You can use this in morning and at night. Can you use this moisturizer under your makeup? Yes, you can definitely use this moisturizer under your makeup. Right now I have used this same moisturizer and I have done my makeup on that. Does this moisturizer clog your pores? Then for me, it did not clog my pores, but every skin type is different. What works for me might not work for you, so that you will have to see if this clogs your pores. But for me, it did not clog my pores at all. It did not give me any rashes or any acne or pimples after using this one. Now let's talk who can use this moisturizer and who cannot use this moisturizer. Now this moisturizer says that this is made for dry, combination and sensitive skin. but it is not made for oily skin girlies. Now dry skin girlies can definitely use this moisturizer, but let's talk about the oily skin people. Even if we have oily skin, we will have to use something that will hydrate our skin. Hydration is completely different than moisturization. Now this moisturizer hydrates your skin, and that is important when it comes to barrier repairing factor. If your skin is dehydrated, it will tend to produce more oil. I don't know how to explain that, but your skin will feel the need to produce more oil to keep your skin moisturized. If your skin is like extremely oily and still you feel that your skin is tight and feels dry from inside, then that's the sign that your skin is dehydrated. Oily doesn't mean that you do not need hydration. So this moisturizer will hydrate your skin. Keep in mind that this moisturizer is very occlusive, which literally means that this moisturizer creates a layer of oil that will protect the moisture from evaporating from your skin. Does that make any sense? I think it did. Let's simplify this. Now dry and oily skin people both can use this one, but for oily skin people you will have to use less product comparing to dry skin girlies, because this moisturizer has good this moisturizer is very occlusive, and that might feel heavy on your skin, and that can also clog your pores. So use it in a less quantity and you will be fine. This does help with the barrier repair thing, and it is very hydrating. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please comment down below what other videos you want me to make, and also subscribe to my channel so that it will help me grow. We will meet in our next video. Till then, stay positive, stay happy and stay fit.